Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by setting up the listing foundation: product category, price, and images. Once done, create or log into your Etsy shop, then click Add a Listing to open the form. Make sure to upload a strong main photo first, then supplementary shots showing scale and detail. You should fill title and brief description quickly to keep momentum, and enter materials and SKU so variations and inventory sync correctly with your shop management tools. Now focus on the middle. Write copy and set logistics. You should craft a descriptive headline and a benefits-first description that answers who, what, and why. Include measurements and care instructions to reduce buyer questions. Then, add 13 relevant tags and select categories to improve search visibility. Make sure to set variations, SKU-level inventory, production time, and shipping profiles accurately so orders flow to your fulfillment process without delays or finish by reviewing the full preview and confirming shipping, tax, and billing settings. When you publish, consider a small ad boost or a social post to get early traction. Monitor impressions and favorites in the first 48 hours. If your listing won't publish or underperforms, first check for policy flags and image resolution problems, then rework tags and title for relevance. If payments or shipping rates are wrong, revisit your shop settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.